Oh no. Hello, and welcome back to another video. I am so excited that all of y'all are joining me today. I'm gonna do something I've been putting off since before Christmas. And it's time to finally do it. We're gonna try and make some candles. What's in the box? Okay, what all did it come with? It comes with instructions, thank goodness. Comes with this for melting the wax, 1,000 different candle wicks, purple, I guess this is like coloring. We have the wax itself, essential oils, these little stickies, and a ton of little containers for the candles. More little stickies, more wax, some sticks, some more colors. I don't think this will be too hard. Let's get started. Let's get into the instructions. These aren't English. Where are the English ones? Here we go. Here are the English ones. Okay. There's a spider. It's a teeny tiny spider. I don't know where it went. Okay. Prepare your... I feel like I need to organize this real quick. Hold up. Oh, there's a spider. Bye. Bye. Oh, no. Oh no. Okie dokie. What am I doing? Nope, that's not the English one. Prepare your candle jar, attach the wick to the glue dot, and stick it on the bottom of the candle. Okay. Okay, so we're going to take one of these. And then does this like peel off? Oh, it does. Okay, cool. How many do I want to do? Do I want to do just one or do I want to do two? I guess, you know what? Let's do two. Where'd my wicks go? These things peel off. The tops peel off. But you know what? I think I'm just gonna put it on like that. There we go. And then peel that off. And then stick it on in there. And there we go. I think we're just gonna do these two. Why didn't y'all tell me I have my like middle school side part going on right now? Next step is to measure out your wax and pour it into the melting pot. So here's what I'm gonna do to measure this out. I'm gonna take one of these and I'm just gonna pour out and make a mess, apparently. Pour. Maybe a little bit more, I think. And we're just gonna pour that into there. We're gonna do two, so I'm just gonna do that again. Okay, that might have been a little bit too much, but it's fine. We have that in there pretty well. Oh, they're little hearts. That's kind of cool. Okay, I'm just going to put one of those in there. So it's going to be like a light purple. And I will see y'all out in the kitchen. What we're going to do is we're going to get a pot. And we're going to put some water in it. And we're going to have the water boil. And then we're just going to put this in there like that. And then we're going to stir it. That's the plan. Okay, I'm thinking this should be enough water. It kind of floats. I don't think it'll fall over if I leave it like that. Will it? No? Okay, so we're just gonna go with that. It's not perfect. It's not perfect, but you know what? That's okay. I just need to make sure that it's not gonna burn because we don't want it to burn. That is not what we want. I'm over here being very impatient and I'm like, go faster. Melt faster. Okay, I'm gonna let this do its thing. I will see y'all once it's melted. We are getting somewhere. It is finally starting to melt. Okay, y'all, we are back. So where did I put the instructions? Stirring and add oil, add some fragrance to the melted stuff and stir properly. Okay, and then after that, we pour them back in. I feel like I'm not moving fast enough. Okay, I don't even know. I should have opened these up and looked at them before I went and melted this, but oh well. What do we have? Eucalyptus, orange, tea tree, mint, lemongrass, and lavender. We're gonna go in with some lavender. Oh, the lid just fell. Okay, how many drops? 1, 2, 3. Okay, that was like 3 or 4 drips. I have heard that you have to be kind of careful with essential oils because if you add too much, it can be an issue. But like if you don't add enough, then you might not be able to smell it. I guess that's gonna be okay. So this one's just gonna be lavender. I don't know how to go about this. Okay, and then we're just gonna pour it in there. Okay, set it down carefully. Now that just needs to sit and dry. For the next one, so we already have some lavender in there. I think I'm gonna go with mint. Add some lavender and some mint. Stir, stir, stir. I feel like this isn't gonna be enough for this candle, but I guess we're gonna find out, aren't we? So this candle might just be really, really small. Oh my gosh, that was like nothing. Look at how much this one filled. That is barely anything. Okay, you know what? I don't have time today, but I think what I might do is go in at some other point and add in more wax to this one, like remelt everything and add in more. So note to self, for next time I do this, you definitely need to add more wax than you think. Well, there's our candles. The last thing that's gonna have to happen when they're dry is I'm just gonna like chop the wick. I hope you enjoyed, and I didn't burn the house down. I didn't burn the wax, so I think that that's an achievement. And I will see all of you in the next one. Thank you so much for joining me. Let me know what else you want to see. Bye.